Hi everyone, today we will be starting with chapter 2, that is modern business environment. In this, the first concept is regarding cost of quality. In cost of quality, there are two types of cost. One is cost of good quality and the another is cost of bad quality. So understand the concept. What is good quality? When good quality are produced, so for producing good quality, what we need to do, we need to invest. Like if we use good quality raw materials, if we use good and better and far better machines, then how product will be produced, the product produced will be of good quality. So these costs are basically to be incurred before production, because if before production you invest a lot, you use everything of good quality, then the product will also be of good quality. So before production, what we need to invest? Prevention costs. So that, what do you mean by prevention? That we prevent things before only. So if we incur on those prevention costs, then we'll easily detect the problems before only, before production. So this is the incurring of cost. Now appraisal cost is also incurred to increase to appraise the quality of the products. So these both are the categories for cost of good quality. Now you need to learn the examples of this also. This is very important in exam. When questions will come, it can directly ask you to categorize the expenses into the prevention cost or the appraisal cost. Similarly, when we see cost of bad quality, suppose we did not invest much in cost of good quality, and now after production we see we use cheap raw materials, we used just cheap machines. Then after production we see that bad quality products are being manufactured. So now nothing was detected earlier. Now after production we see that these pens are not working, these are bad quality products. So what we need to do, if in the after production but before delivering the goods to the customers, if now only we got to know that the pens are not working, so internally we detected this. Now internal failure cost we have to incur. For example, some waste or scrap occurred, so to rectify those, if we produced bad quality products, now to rectify those we need to incur internal failure cost. But suppose what happens, we did not check internally, now the pens are delivered to the customers, now we are getting complaints. So now externally we are receiving the complaints, so now we have to incur the external failure cost, that is the replacement. For example, mobiles are manufactured, those are of bad quality, now from externally complaints are coming, now we have to replacement of the mobile. So for that, for replacement, we'll have to incur those costs. So now see, this is inversely proportional. Like if cost of good quality, if you are ready to incur a lot of cost of good quality, then what will happen? Good quality products will be manufactured, chances of manufacturing good quality will increase, so the cost of bad quality will minimize. For example, now we incurred so much of, for example, 50,000 we incurred on cost of good quality. So now pens are manufactured, out of 10 pens only one pen was not working. So now this failure cost will also be only for this one pen. So now automatic, this cost of bad quality minimized. So this is inversely proportional. When cost of good quality is high, then cost of bad quality will be low, and vice versa. So it's, what is better? It's better to incur on cost of good quality, because our brand image will be good. If we don't produce bad quality products, then our brand image will be good. Now what is optimal cost of quality? That is by financial perspective. When both the cost of good quality and cost of bad quality will be minimum, then that is called the optimal cost of quality. But make sure that you learn the examples of all this: prevention cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, and external failure cost. In TQM, what we see, the ways in which investment in TQM can be made. This is a direct question which can come, so you need to learn this. So you can learn by a memory code, that is PCS-ME. In PCS-ME, P stands for performance, C stands for top management commitment to quality, S stands for customer satisfaction, M stands for product mix, E stands for employees, and E stands for employees development program, EDP. So these 6 points you have to remember. You can easily recall by PCS-MEE. Now deeming 14 points is very important to learn. You need to learn at least 8 points. So to learn this, it is a bit tough. So we have created this memory trick, which is best fit please. So you can easily remember this memory trick, best fit please. So from B you can see here it is barrier, E is for education, S for slogans, T for transformation. B is for barrier. We have to remove the workman barriers, whatever there it is. For education, we have to institute education and self improvement. From S, we need to eliminate slogans. Transformation is everyone's job, that not that only one person is willing to transform, then it will not work. Everyone has to bring the transformation. We have to drive out the fear. We have to create bring the way for improvement. There should be continuous improvement. Training, we have to provide the proper training on job. Philosophy, we have to adopt whatever the new philosophy is there. The leadership, it's very very important, and we have to move towards single supply for one item so that we can rely on him, and we can also ask for bulk discount. So we have to move towards single supply. So this best fit please, you can easily recall every words, every keywords. See here, training you can remember, philosophy, then leadership, then single supplier, then here it's improvement, fear, here it is education. This way you can recall. Now 6C also you should remember. 6C, no memory trick because already all the words are starting with C. So here it is, you have to remember commitment, culture, continuous improvement, customer focus, cooperation and control. These are very easy to recall using 6C. Then the PDCA itself says plan, do, check and act. This is the PDCA cycle. So these were the concepts till now. There are more concepts. Next is the business excellence model, for which I'll be making next video. Comment and subscribe if you think I should make the next video too today itself.